Shawna Calvert is a top real estate agent in Apollo Beach, Florida, known for 5-star service, local expertise, and a heart for helping families relocate. Specializing in waterfront homes, she brings integrity, care, and results to every move. #Make the move. Welcome to 5413 Wishing Arch Drive, a beautifully designed 3-bedroom, 2-bath Margate floor plan by Park Square Homes, featuring a formal office and 1,966 square feet of thoughtfully planned living space. Built in 2021 and located in the waterfront community of Mirabay, this home sits on a dockable lot with expansive lagoon views and no front or rear neighbors. The dock easement has already been paid for, and the seller has invested in full dock plans, along with professionally designed pool plans, both included in the MLS attachments. Inside, you'll find upgraded tilework, crown molding, and a custom built-in bar that anchors the open living area, ideal for entertaining. The dedicated office is enclosed with upgraded glass doors, offering a quiet and stylish space to work or relax. The spacious backyard provides ample room to add a pool, making it easy to personalize your own outdoor retreat. This home is just a short walk to the award-winning Mirabay clubhouse and sits directly across the canal, giving you a front-row seat from your backyard to enjoy the community's live music events and vibrant waterfront lifestyle. From your private dock, it's just minutes to waterfront dining, dolphin and manatee sightings, and world-famous fishing. Community amenities include 2 year-round heated pools, a café and lounge, 24-hour fitness center, walking trails, and courts for pickleball, tennis, and basketball. With smart upgrades, paid-for enhancements, and a prime waterfront location,